Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you CapCut Magic Advanced Keyframe techniques. So I'm gonna show you a few methods on how to add keyframes here, and all you have to do is simply add a picture or a video. So for example, this one. Now if you want to add like a zoom in and zoom out slow-mo video effect, then all you have to do is add a keyframe right here, tap this one, and then once you have added a keyframe on the side, you can now increase the scale to like 75% or 70%. Everything is up to you. So once we have added a keyframe here, then we're going to add an effect on the side right here. So I'm going to increase the scale. Okay, so let me add another one right here. So on the side, I'm going to add or increase the scale, something like that. Okay, scale to, let's just say, above 100%, like the scale right here. So I can add again another keyframe, and then I can increase again. And then after that, you can also add another keyframe and then decrease the scale. So the effect or the result is a very wonderful, especially if you wanted to highlight something here, like the emotion of the person. It's indeed very cool to add keyframes and increase scale and then do it again in a different way or the other way around. So the result would be like this once you have added keyframes and added some zoom in, zoom out effects right here. So this is what it looks like. Let me tap the play right here. So as you can see, it's a very good effect, especially if you are pointing out an emotion or pointing out something specific on a person's face. And then another way to use this keyframe is that if you wanted to change the effect of a certain video, for example, this part right here, I want to change it to like, for example, grayscale. And it's a good thing also if you want to add music to highlight something. So let me add a keyframe right here. And in this part, I'm going to change the color or the effect to something like grayscale or something gray. Okay, so I will tap this effects right here to look for some effects that is related to something gray or dark to show more emotion of the situation or the video. So I chose this effect right here and I drag it after the keyframe. So the result is like this. So as you can see, and then I have added the keyframe in the middle, and this is what it looks like after that. So actually, everything is up to you. You can choose your own effect if you want, but this is how good it is keyframe here on this CapCut. So the third thing here is you can also add an effect. For example, if you want to add effects like bounce or swing or something like move to left, move to right. So all you have to do is to add a video again and then add keyframe. And in that or that area or section, for example, this part right here, I want to add animation. Okay, let me add keyframe and then animation, something like that. Okay, so the result would be the same thing once you have added a keyframe, and then after the keyframe, you will see the effect of whatever animation you applied to this video. So the result is like this. So I have to move it right here. So this is what it looks like. So this is the wonderful thing about this keyframe on CapCut. So I really hope that you like it. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.